Start by opening the TIA Portal project, then changing to Project View, and select the CPU from the project tree, then expand the listing. Double-click Device Configuration. In the working window, select the CPU. You can collapse the hardware catalog to allow more screen area if you need it. In the Details window, click the Properties tab and click the System and Clock Memory listing. Now scroll down to the Clock Memory Bits listing and enable the use of the Clock Memory Byte by clicking the checkbox. You can now define the address of the Clock Memory Byte. Default is 0. We'll change this to Byte 10 in this example. Note that the clock memory bits are still showing as Byte 0. Save the project. The clock memory byte is now configured for Byte 10 and the bits are displayed correctly.